Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at home. Once again, I welcome you all for the maths class. Last class, we learnt about number names. We learnt number names from 1 to 100. Do you all remember it? It was a very big class, no? Okay. At this moment, I would like to thank all the parents who took much effort in training the children and making them to do their home assignment. Thank you, parents. I thank all the children who submitted your homework on time. I'm very happy to see my children doing the homework and posting it on the group. Thank you, children. Very good, and keep going with the same spirit. Let's all go to the next session. Before going to the new chapter, we will recall the last chapter what we learned. For that, we will do one simple exercise like recalling the spellings. 12. The spelling for 12 is TWELVE. The spelling for 37 is THIRTY, 37. The spelling for 61 is SIXTYONE, 61. The spelling for 88 is EIGHTY, and the last spelling is 100, HUNDRED, 100. Before that, children, I'm very happy that most of you or all are answering correctly. Good children. Now we'll start the new session or new chapter, that is shapes. Last year or in your UKG, you have learned the identification of shapes. You know to identify the shape. This year, you will learn the shape, their names and 3D shapes. Three things you will learn: shape, spelling and 3D shapes. The first part of the chapter is basic shapes or 2D shapes. Can you name some shapes? Can you name it? Okay, let's start the class. Square. First thing is square. Second one is triangle. Third one is circle. The last one is rectangle. Children, we will all learn these shapes and their specific features. There are some specific features in these shapes. Okay, let's get started. The first thing what we are going to learn is square. The spelling for square is SQUARE. Spelling for square is SQUARE. Square. Once again, we will repeat it. We will all repeat it together. Will you repeat it with me? Shall we start? S Q U A R E. Very good, very good, very good. Right. Try to repeat for 3 to 4 times and get the correct spelling of it. Now, we will learn some important features of a square. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. First side, this is the first, this is the number 1. You can count it, okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. A square has 4 sides. The second thing is a square has 4 corners. A square has 4 corners. The first thing is a square has 4 sides. The second thing is a square has 4 corners. The third and important thing in the square is a square, 4 sides are in equal in length. All the sides are in equal in length. There are 4 sides and these 4 sides are equal in length. The important thing is equal in length. Okay. Now we'll see the important feature. 4 sides. A square has 4 sides. A square has 4 corners. Keep this in your mind. This is an important thing and you will be getting questions from this. Okay. Next, we will see some pictures related to square. Okay. Observe these pictures. See this picture. See, some objects are square in shape. These pictures are square in shape. Now you can see many objects in square shape. Look around and search for square shape in your home and show them to your parents. Example, a wall clock, 2 biscuits, a piece of cake, carom board, and a photo frame. I have given you very few examples, but in your home you can search for more objects. Discuss this with your parents. Next, we'll see the next shape. The next shape is triangle. What is the spelling for triangle? Triangle. Triangle. The spelling for triangle is Triangle. Triangle. Will you repeat with me? Come, we all join together and say the spelling. Will you repeat? Will you join with me? Yes. Shall we start? Triangle. We'll do this for one more time. Okay, good. One more time. All together, we will say the spelling for triangle. Triangle. Good, very good. You spelled it so good. You spelled it in a spectacular way. Very good. Okay, now we'll go to the picture of a triangle. We'll see the important features of this shape. A triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. First thing is a triangle has 3 sides. The second thing is triangle has 3 corners. A triangle has 3 corners. Okay. Now we'll see some objects. Okay. Before that, we will see the important features one more time. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Okay. Here are some objects in triangle shape. Wow. Can you see them? Yes. I can see. You can also see it. Can you identify them? Yes. These objects are triangle in shape. Now you can check or you can take some objects in your home and show them to your parents. Okay, here are another few examples for triangle. Okay, is it visible? Yes. Now we will see the next shape. The next shape is circle. What is the spelling for circle? The spelling for circle is CIRCLE. Circle. Okay. Will you all join with me to say the spelling? Shall we do? Yes. CIRCLE. Circle. One more time. Shall we try? Yes. CIRCLE. Circle. Now, what is a circle? Yeah. A round object is a circle. A round object is a circle. Can you see? Look around yourself. Turn and see. Turn this side. Can you see any object round in shape or circle in shape? Yes, you can find many objects. You can find many objects. Okay, let's see some important features. A circle have no side. It doesn't have any side and no corner. It doesn't have any side and any corner. It's just a round in shape. A circle is a circle. Here, just look at the picture. There are many objects are in circle. Okay? A ball, button, a round clock, coin, disc, a piece of lemon, donut. Wow! Many things, many things are they displayed here. Now, can you find these objects in your home? Yes, coins. Next, watermelon. Yes, plates, ball, globe. All these objects are circle in shape. All these objects are circle. Examples for circle. The last shape what we are going to see is rectangle. Do you think this spelling is too big? Yes, it is a very big spelling. See how big the spelling is. Can I teach you one trick? One shortcut? Yes, I'll teach you a shortcut to memorize this spelling. Listen here. What is the spelling for rectangle? First, we'll see the spelling for rectangle. The big spelling RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Too big. I don't know how to memorize it. Wait, I'll tell you. What is the spelling for rec? REC. Rec. Tan. TAN. Gle. GLE. Rectangle. If you split and read a word, it will be very easy to memorize it. Once again, I'll teach you. Listen very carefully. The big spelling, we will split and read. Okay, what is the spelling for rec? REC. REC is rec. Tan. 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 Rectangle. GLE. Rectangle. Will you repeat it? Will you join with me? Yes. We'll join together and say the spelling for rectangle. R-E-C, rect, T-A-N, tan, G-L-E, rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Very good. Now the spelling becomes very easy for us, no? We learnt it, no? Yes, we learnt it very fast. Okay. Now we'll see the important features of the rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. A rectangle has 4 corners. An important thing in this rectangle is opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length. It is not like a square, it is different. Opposite sides are equal in length. Like 1 and 3 will be equal in length and 2 and 4 will be equal in length. We understood this one? Now, once again we'll see the features, okay? A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next, these are the objects are in rectangle in shape. A blackboard, a wooden door, sometimes a monitor, a brick, okay, an envelope, a shoebox. These are very few examples I'm giving you, but you can see many objects are in rectangle in shape. I told you the next thing will be a very interesting thing. Next thing is a very interesting thing for you. In this session, I have given you a project. What is that? Do you all like to do project? Yes, project means full of fun activities. Okay, you can get the help from your parents and you can do this project. I will explain what you have to do in this project. Okay, the project name is color the picture. Very simple thing. Very simple. Color the picture. The pictures which are given in this project are related to the chapter. Okay, where it is very much related to the chapter. I've given you 3 pictures. Come, let's see this 3 pictures. Can you see this picture? Yes. What you have to do? What project you have to do? I'll tell you. Draw this picture. Okay? Get the help from your parents. Parents, kindly help your child to draw this one. Let the child color it in their own manner. This helps them to show their creativity. Okay? You just guide them. Let them do on their own. This is the first picture. The second picture. The third picture. Parents, kindly help the child to draw and let the child color it. For example, I've just done one for you. Okay, like this, you can color the picture, take a photo and submit to us. You can post it. The submission date is submit the project on 17/7/2020. That is on Friday. You can submit your project on this date. Next, what is the homework for this session? The homework is write the spelling of the square, triangle, circle and rectangle for 2 times. The homework of this session is write the shape's name for 2 times. Children, I hope you understand this chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it, and the very important thing is you learn the spelling. Next class we will see the 3D shapes. Next class we will learn about 3D shapes. Okay? Before that, take care of yourself, eat healthy food. 4 important things you have to do it in your life daily. First thing, thank God. Never ever forget to thank God. Thank God for each and everything. Thank God daily. Eat good food. Obey your parents. Do your work properly. If you follow all these all these things, you will be excellent. You will be excellent in your life. Children, hope you understand my language. Hope you understand my teaching. If you have any doubt, kindly call me. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye. We will meet you in the next class. Thank you.